2009, Paper 2, Question 1, C. Two circles intersect at P, 2, 0 and Q, -2, 8. The distance from the centre of each circle to the common chord PQ is the square root of 20. Find the equations of the two circles. This point is on the circle, so is this point. So we can substitute that into x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 and get an equation. We can do the same with q and get a second equation. And for this, I think we'll need to get the equation of the line through the points PQ. And since the centre of each circle can be written as -g minus f, we can use the formula for the perpendicular distance of that point, -g minus f, to this line PQ. Set it equal to square root of 20, and we'll have a third equation. Here's the general equation for circles. If we find a value for g, for f and for c, we've got an equation of a circle. Well, substituting p, 2, 0, we get 2 squared plus 0 squared plus 2g times 2 plus 2f times 0 plus c equals 0. Simplify, we get 4 plus 4g, that's 0, plus c equals 0. That's our first equation. Repeat for the point q, -2, 8. We get -2 squared plus 8 squared plus 2g times -2 plus 2f times 8 plus c equals 0. Simplify, that's -2 by -2 is plus 4, 64 minus 4g plus 16f plus c equals 0. Simplify again, we get 68 minus 4g plus 16f plus c equals 0, our second equation. In the question you're told the centre, which is given by -g minus f, is the square root of 20 from the line from P to Q. So I think we'll get the equation of the line from P to Q. x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope formula will give us 8 minus 0 over -2 minus 2, or 8 over -4. So the slope of PQ is -2. And the equation of a line formula, we can use y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Substituting, we get y minus 0 equals -2 times x minus 2. Simplifying, we get y equals -2x plus 4. I'm going to put that in standard form. -2x becomes plus 2x on this side, plus y minus 4 equals 0. I'm going to match that up with ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now the distance from the centre -g minus f, which we'll call x1, y1 for this formula, is given as root 20. From the equation of the line we can see a equals 2, b equals 1 and c equals -4. So as usual, there's going to be a great deal of substitution here. Accuracy is very important, and we'll get a third equation involving g, f and c. So ax1 will be 2 times -g, plus by1 will be 1 times -f, plus c, and c this time refers to the line, so it's -4, over the square root of a squared plus b squared, which is 2 squared plus 1 squared, or the square root of 5 equals the square root of 20. Simplifying here, don't forget the absolute value signs, they're very important. -2g minus f minus 4 over root 5 equals root 20. So the absolute value of this, -2g minus f minus 4, equals root 20 times root 5, just bring it across, which is root 100 or 10. So here there are three equations. That's when we substituted P, when we substituted Q, and when we used the information that the distance from the centre to the line PQ was the square root of 20, we ended up with the absolute value here equal to 10. Now, there's no C in this third equation, so I'm going to eliminate C from these two. The second minus the first. 68 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4g is minus 8g. 16f minus 0 is 16f. And the c's cancel equal to 0. Might as well divide everything here by 8. We get a simpler equation. 8 minus g plus 2f equals 0. We return to this absolute value equation. The absolute value is equal to 10. We remember that the absolute value of 10 equals 10. And the absolute value of minus 10 equals 10. So this can equal 10, or it can equal minus 10. So if minus 2g minus f minus 4 equals 10, we can double this and then use equation 4 to eliminate f. So we'll have the 8's cancel, 2f's cancel, and minus g minus 4g is minus 5g equal to 20. G equals 20 divided by minus 5, which is minus 4. Alternatively, minus 2g minus f minus 4 could equal minus 10 because of the absolute value of minus 10 being 10. Again, we can eliminate f by doubling this, add it to equation 4. The 8's will cancel. Minus g minus 4g is still minus 5g. The 2f's cancel. This time we get it equal to minus 20. So g equals minus 20 divided by minus 5, which is 4. Each value of g gives us a different value for f. Just substitute in the third equation. We get 8 minus 4 plus 2f equals 0. So 12 plus 2f equals 0, so f would have to be minus 6. Here, 8 minus 4 plus 2f would equal 0. So we get 4 plus 2f equals 0, f equals minus 2. Finally, the values for g can be substituted in the first equation. 4 plus 4g plus c equals 0. So 4 plus 4 times minus 4 plus c equals 0 gives us c equal to 12. Over here, 4 plus 4 fours plus c equals 0 gives us 20, plus c equals 0, c is minus 20. Now, we have three values. We have g is minus 4, f is minus 6, and c is 12. Put them into the general equation. We get x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 12y plus 12 equals 0. And this set over here, g equal to 4, f equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 20, gives us this circle, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx, 2 4s, 8, 2fy, that's 2 minus 2 is minus 4, plus c, which is minus 20, and we have two equations for the circle, there and there.